Hello. Welcome again to 5 Minutes Math, and in today's episode I'm going to discuss multiplication, and I'm going to discuss a specific method of multiplication which we call grid method. Before going to discuss the grid method, I'm going to discuss a little trick of doing easy multiplication with the numbers which involve zeros at the end. Let's say we have to multiply 50 with 30. So you see we've got two numbers ending with zeros, so it's very easy doing this. If you know this method, if you know this trick, you can do this multiplication without any pen and paper. Closing your eyes, you can do this multiplication. So for this, what we need to do is we need to multiply the number which is not zeros, the number. So for example, here we have got 5 and 3, so let's multiply 5 and 3, which is 15. So I'm multiplying 5 and 3 and I'm getting 15, and now I'm going to count how many zeros I have altogether. So here I've got 1 0 and 2 zeros. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add these 2 zeros after 15, and that's it. That's my result. So 50 times 30 is 1500. So 15 and then 2 zeros. Similarly, if I got to do a multiplication with this amount of high number, for example 740, again it's very easy. 7 times 4 is 28, and then I've got 1 2 3 zeros. I'm going to add 3 zeros after 28, so the result is 28,000. See, it's easy peasy. So now we are going to move to the grid method. We are going to use this trick in the grid method. So for grid method, complex numbers, for example 47 and 36. So first, what I'm going to do, what I need to do is I need to partition the two numbers. For example, if I partition 47, I'm getting 40 and 7. Similarly, 36, if I partition it, I will get 30 and 6. So now you see I've got altogether 4 numbers here: 47, 30 and 6. So I get to take a grid of 4 boxes. So see, I've got a grid of 4 boxes. So on this grid, on the top, I'm going to put 40 on top of the first box and 7 on top of the second box. I'm going to take my 30 and 6 beside this grid. So first 30 in beside one box and 6 beside another box. Now I'm going to multiply the numbers on the row with the numbers on the column. So for example, I'm going to multiply 30 with 40. Again, if you remember the trick I discussed a minute ago, which is 3 times 4 is 12, and then I've got 2 zeros, so altogether is 1200. Now I'm going to multiply 30 with 7. Again, 3 and 7 is 21, and I've got 1 0, so 210. Now I'm going to multiply 6 with 40. Again, 6 and 4 is 24 and a 0, so that's 240. Now finally I got to multiply 6 and 7, which giving me 42. Now in the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to add the numbers in the boxes in the columns. For example, in the first column I've got 1200 and 240, and the addition is 1440. Similarly, I'm going to do the same thing in the next column, which is 210 and 42. It's giving me 252. In the final step, I'm going to add the numbers that I've got right now, 1440 and 252. So adding these two numbers giving me the result of the multiplication here, which is 1692, that is 1692. That means 47 and 36, if you multiply these two numbers, you will get 1692. Grab a calculator, recheck the results, follow the video go back and see the process again, try with your own number, and let me know if you have any difficulty. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for other methods and other sums. Thank you very much.